Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with another training video for our free marketing system, where I will build a free marketing system for your business with your name here and the name of your business here, and at the same time show you how to earn money giving away free marketing systems. Now, this training video is going to be about the System.io free advertising options, where you'll be paid to like and comment on the free advertising I do for you. Now, this video I'm producing right now is going to replace this outdated video right here. So, as I always say, what I'm showing you, what I'm teaching you today, chances are will be outdated in the next week or months or a couple months. So keep that in mind when watching this video. So once you finish watching this video, you can scroll down into the description of this video. You're going to find the link that will bring you to the System.io training videos right here. And of course, when you do click on that link, if you do not belong or I have not built a free System.io for your business offers, what I want you to do is click on my name here, harveysilverfox.com. And this happens to be the co-op rotator link for those VIP members who have purchased the Done For You traffic package. So your referral link will be in the rotator link inside of here. So for those VIP members, you're going to be doing yourself a favor if you like this video, if you share this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, do that. Because if you do that and ring that little bell, you're going to be notified of the next training video that I do down the road. So make sure you do that. So let's work our way down here. Of course, you must watch this video here that talks about how the Telegram training room works, and so you're not lost. Make sure you do that. Let's keep working our way down here to the free advertising options. So the free advertising options Telegram channel topics is the only place where you can request your free advertising for your free System.io marketing system. Let me say that again. Because it seems like no matter what I say, no matter how many times I make posts out there saying the only place you can do this, request your free advertising, everybody seems to be posting it every place else. Only place where you can request your free advertising happens to be in the Telegram channel topic area. So let's go take a look. So when you have notified of your new marketing system being built for you, you're going to receive an email. The only way you can get into our training for our free marketing system is found in that email. It's by invitation only. There's no other way to get in there. So if you're on the outside looking in and you're kind of confused what I'm showing you right now, go find that email. If we built that system for you, your system, and there's a link there that will take you to the free marketing system. And of course, you're going to land here, new member support. Now, do not request your free advertising in new member support. I can't do it there, okay? I'm just probably going to ignore it, or I'm going to delete that request, or I'm going to make a post redirecting you over to the free advertising. See this over here? Over to free advertising. This is where you request your free advertising here. Remember, you come in here at the beginning. So here's Tony. Tony's requested his free advertising in the new member support. And I made a post saying you need to go to the free advertising locations. I can't do it in here or any of these other channels here. Okay? Now, in this old training video, I did free advertising inside your Facebook group. and I shared your Facebook group with some of my other Facebook groups, and that's why I did your free advertising for you. Now, since we have then acquired what's called Tangled, where you actually get paid, I get paid when I do the free advertising for you in Tangled. In just a minute, I'll show you how that works. And you get paid when you get in there and make comments on your posts and make a like, you get paid again. So I get paid and you get paid. So if you're not already joined Tangle, just click on this link. You're going to join through me. And yes, when you do join through me, I get paid and you get paid. And when you do that, in this case here, when I click on that, it's going to take me to my Tangled homepage right here. And you can see I have a balance of about 1.5 million tokens here, of which I can use for additional advertising, or down the road I can actually, I think I can turn them in for actually money. I'm not sure. I've never tried doing that. Don't really care. I just use all my tokens over here for advertising for you guys, okay, to promote your free marketing system. So let's see how this is going to work. We're at the new members support. I'm going to go over here to free advertising, that topic, that channel over here. So Benny did it the right way here. Made this post. I'm ready for you to do free advertising for my marketing system. I also signed up in Tangle and liked and commented. So what I did is I came down here, made a post for Benny. One of the requirements for me to do free advertising for your free marketing system in my Tangled account is you must join, which he's done already. And on this members post here, this is a previous members post that I did for him. Samantha Briggs. One of the requirements is, in your case too, you must like and you must make a comment, such as it's very cool to use, love their services, you won't find a tool with better support. And each time that you like and each time that you comment, you get paid. Now, Samantha also gets paid when that happens. You can see my keywords here. So if you do a search for OLSP, you're going to see some other posts out there that's related to, of course, Samantha's post here. So once you've done that, Benny's going to come back here and let me know so that I can then put him in the rotation. He's going to be next up. So when the next new free member requests I also do advertising for them, I will give them your link, like I did for Samantha here, to your post and have them like and comment on your post. See how this works? But for you to get the free advertising and go through this process, you must follow these instructions here. It's not that hard, okay? So if this was you and you've done that, I will then do marketing for you, placing your either marketing video and or lead capture page in Tangled. And then the next person who comes in, I will give them your link here, and they must like and comment on your link. And then they're up in the rotation. See how easy this is? So we work our way up here. Here's the one I did for Samantha. So she's going through the rotation here. Let's keep on going up. I did some more free advertising for several of our members. Oh, by the way, every once in a while, I'll make an announcement in the main group here, new member group. This out of the blue, I'll say, hey, I'll do some free advertising. Who wants some free advertising? And then if you give me a thumbs up or you say I do or whatever, we'll just go through the whole process again. Every time I do that, and you like and click on yours, you get paid. When you like and click on the next member that's up in the rotation, you get paid again, and they get paid. See how this works? Okay, I think we got that figured out. I think everybody now understands how to request your free advertising and how to get paid. Number 4, before I leave, number 4, if you're a free member, make sure you stay active by generating at least 4 new free marketing system leads a month, promoting your Facebook page, the group, the lead capture page, and the marketing video, so you do not lose your free marketing system to another active member. So find your lead capture page and or banners, then go here. This is a place where you can purchase very inexpensive advertising and buy some advertising to promote your lead capture page. Now, there are a few ways to avoid losing your marketing system if you're having issues referring others. Become a VIP member under your sponsor by going here, and there are no quotas. Or pay a one-time $47 annual fee to remove the quotas by going here and clicking here. As a free member, you receive 1 free marketing system. You can request additional marketing systems at a cost of $47 annual fee per marketing system. Paid VIP members can have unlimited marketing systems. One more thing, the video, the free marketing video I did for you. You need to go out there and keep sharing and promoting your marketing video. Marty and I work awful hard to get this whole system built for you. Sometimes it takes about an hour per system. We just can't have these marketing systems sitting out there doing nothing. You need to go out and promote your Facebook group, your pages, your videos. So the video, we're looking for a lot of shares per month. What I'll do is I'll check your video every month and see if you're actually going out there and promoting your video. If you're having problems promoting your video at the free sites, right here. In fact, this actually is, well, these are paid. You can get in here and pay to have somebody look at your video on all these sites here, okay? Very inexpensive. And of course, here's Tangled again. You can promote your video on Tangled. But if we do not see a large increase of views each month, you could lose your marketing video to another active member. Okay, you know what to do. The link to this page is going to be in the description of your video, one I'm producing right now. And I will be waiting for you inside the Telegram training room for the free marketing system. Just remember, you land here and you come over here to request your free advertising. With that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Let's go make some money.